Hi everybody. Hope everybody is fine. This is a beautiful afternoon. Seeing lots of activity by the ocean. This is the beautiful view. A little Sahara dust, as usual. I don't know what's happening with Sahara dust, but this is Marina and Pigeon Island and the Harbour Club Hotel right here. Pigeon Island Heritage, and this is our famous beach. We really appreciate it. We will continue down to Dreamy Beach. And seeing a boat coming in towards Dreamy Beach coastal line by the hotel. Wow. This is so beautiful. This is the boat still coming in, speedboat. Wow. And jet ski passing. Jet ski passing the hotel. Wow. Wow. Another jet ski coming in from the south side of Dreamy, and two of them passing each other. Wow, and seeing a sailboat too. But it is a beautiful, nice day. I really appreciate this beautiful view. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Okay, everybody, have a wonderful day. I hope you're enjoying this video reel. Universe be with you all, and grant you all your dreams and wishes. Take care. Bye bye.